I'm Jenny Dailey, and I'm going to teach you how to make the best strawberry shortcake you will ever have. You're going to need Bisquick, sugar, eggs, and milk for the cake portion of the recipe. For the strawberry portion of the recipe, you're going to need strawberries, sugar, lemon juice, and whipped cream or heavy whipping cream. You're also going to need some utensils like an 8x8 pan, grease, a bowl, a spoon, measuring cups, and an oven. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, which I have already done. The next step is to add all of your ingredients into the bowl. The first ingredient was Bisquick, which you will need 1.5 cups of. Your next ingredient was sugar, which you will need 1/2 cup of. Your other ingredient is an egg, which you are going to need only one of. And your final ingredient is the milk, which you are going to need 1/2 cup of. Once all your ingredients are in the pan, into the bowl, you're going to want to mix them up. When you're mixing, you're going to want to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to get all the lumps out. But if you happen to miss a couple lumps, it's okay, and it won't ruin your recipe. It's important to not overmix all the ingredients when you're working on this recipe. So if it looks like you'll want to make sure that it has some air bubbles. And if you're starting to lose some air bubbles, you'll want to stop mixing. Once you're done mixing your ingredients, you're going to want to grease your pan. And you'll want to make sure and grease the bottom and the sides of the pan. And then you will pour your mixture into the pan. You want to make sure and scrape the bowl thoroughly so you get all of it. Once you've scraped your bowl and it's in your pan, you'll want to even it out so that it covers the entire bottom of the pan. And then you'll want to put it into the oven. You'll leave it in the oven for 20 minutes, but you'll want to make sure and check it a little bit before, just in case, because all ovens are different. You'll know when it's done when it has a golden brown cover over the top, or you stick a toothpick into it and it comes out clean. For the strawberry portion of your recipe, you'll want to cut up your strawberries for the first step, which I have already done. The next thing you'll add is a bit of lemon juice. You'll think that lemon juice would make it a bit sour, but it actually brings out a lot of the juices in the strawberries, which go really well in your cake. And then you want to add some sugar. And then you want to mix that up. After your cake is done, you'll want to take it out of the oven and let it cool. And after it's cool, you'll want to cut yourself a nice square of it and put that into a bowl. You'll cover the cake with the strawberry mixture, and then you'll add heavy whipping cream or Ready Whip on top. Both of them are very good. My family loves this recipe, and we've been making it for several years. If you have the chance, I highly suggest you pick up the simple ingredients and try it for yourself. Thank you.